How to upgrade Nero in Devil May Cry Peak of Combat. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are looking to upgrade Nero in Devil May Cry Peak of Combat, firstly open up the game on your device, and once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the Hunters button on the top right. Inside the Hunters tab, select Nero. Now once you get to this page, click on the Develop button at the bottom right corner, and on the next page, you will see this Upgrade button at the bottom right. Just tap on that. Finally, click on the Quick Add button at the bottom of the screen and click on Upgrade. Once you have enough materials, you will be able to level up quickly. So that is how you can level up or upgrade Nero in Devil May Cry Peak of Combat. Keep improving his levels, skills, weapons, and equipments to make him stronger in battles. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.